Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Carmen and my channel focuses on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and luxury. And if you like any of those things, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. I upload twice a week, Tuesdays and Thursdays, and sometimes I will put out a bonus video, so I don't want you to miss it. So make sure you hit that notification bell so the next time that I upload a new video, you will be automatically notified. In today's video, I am sharing with you my first purchase from LULU'S. LULU'S is a very known brand over social media, and I decided, let me see what all the talk is about. I want to share with you my first impressions, give you my opinion of what I thought about the entire process. So if you would like to see what I picked up from LULU'S, if you would like to know my first impressions from the beginning until the end, then just keep watching. I am plus size. I usually wear a size 18 to 20. The items that I viewed on the website at LULU'S.com went up to a size extra large. So we're gonna see how that extra large fits on this plus size body. I'm gonna go and grab the box and I'm gonna be right back. I have the box. So let's begin with the very basic. I went online to LULU'S.com. I seen several things that I wanted. I did, I really did. But you know, I was like, okay, this is my first time. Let's pick out a couple of pieces and see how they work for you, especially because I am plus size and the sizes go up to an extra large. So I said, to be safe, let's purchase a couple of pieces and see how they work with this plus size body. All right, so here is the inside of the box. Like I said, I placed my order last week. It arrived yesterday, so really quick shipping. So once I make a purchase and pay my money, I want my products like right away. Now, first off, LULU'S did not disappoint with the shipping. Shipping is excellent. Now to the packaging. The way they packaged everything, excellent. I had lots of bubble wrap, lots of paper inserted into this box. I just removed it. Each clothing item was wrapped with a LULU'S logo printed tissue paper. So I love this packaging. Another one. Let's begin with the first item that I picked up. I picked up this fedora. Yes, I picked it up. This is the Lily Beige Wool Fedora. I love it. Has a lot of structure. And then of course it has the bow at the side. And this is in the color oatmeal. Wow. You know. So this is how it looks. Wow, this is 100% wool. All right now, 100% wool in the color oatmeal. So that is the first item. So my impression with this first item is excellent. It's 100% wool. It looks good. It was packaged well. No complaints so far with LULU'S. Oh my goodness. So my first impression with the website, with the shipping is just 100%. Love it, love it. Thank you, LULU'S. Okay, so let's move to the next item. So I did pick up a couple of two-piece items, and let's get into my first impressions for the two-piece items that I picked up from LULU'S. So again, here is the tissue paper. I love it. And then the little sticker. I absolutely love it. Presentation is just, I just enjoy it so much. I do. Like, you pay your money and then when you don't get what you expect, you're not happy, right? But when you get the little extras, you are happy. It makes you feel good. Makes you want to spend your money just a little bit more. So let's untissue it. So I think this is a very popular on the website. I've seen a lot of people haul this in their fashion videos. So this is my first impressions for LULU'S two-piece sweater set in the size extra large, and that is the largest size that LULU'S had, in the color burgundy. First impressions, feels very, very good. Very good. So, two-piece, 1, 2. The first item is this crop top. Now, let's see. Okay. I do have a short torso, so I want to see how cropped it's going to be on me. And it does not look like it's going to be that cropped, but we'll see once I put it on. Has the tag that says LULU'S on it. This burgundy color is great, is perfection. It's got the rib knit at the bottom. The pattern is all across this item. I really love this. On to the cardigan. Now these two pieces are sewed together. They are not sewed separately. So I love that. So you can interchange them any way that you want for the same price. Again, it comes in an extra large. Has the tag that says LULU'S, medium-sized buttons, and then it does have the rib detailing at the bottom of the cardigan. Let's see how it looks. Let me step back. Look at that. Very soft fabric. There's the detailing of the cabled knit right there. Then at the end of the sleeve, you have the rib knitting. Is it called rib knitting? You have the rib knit. Let's go like that. So that is the first two-piece set that I picked up from LULU'S. My first impression with the material and the construction, excellent. Let's move to the next item. So the next two-piece item that I picked up from LULU'S is this sweater set. Oh, I love this color. Oh, especially for the fall. So again, we have the LULU'S logo printed all over the tissue paper. We're gonna untissue this two-piece sweater set so we can take a look. We're gonna take a look and get the first impression. Again, I picked this up in an extra large. The color is brick red. Again, the packaging, tissue paper and plastic. This feels luxurious. First impression is super duper soft. Wow. Okay, so we have this sleeveless maxi sweater dress in the color brick red. Oh my goodness, feels so soft. It does come with splits on the side. Wow. Okay, so I am 5'3" and I believe it's gonna hit me right below my ankle. It's not gonna drag the ground, but it's gonna be very, very close. Wow. This is very nice, very nice. Let's move to the other piece that came with this two-piece set from LULU'S. Okay, here is the long cardigan that comes with this two-piece sweater set. Again, the same material, same luxurious soft material. Sleeves are long. The material is stretchy. It's good. So the actual sweater dress has slits in it, and then the actual sweater has slits in it right there. So they both have slits in it, but you can interchange this sweater if you just want to run out the house, go to the mailbox, you could throw on this sweater. But if you are going out, you know, going to the supermarket, if you're going to the supermarket, going to brunch, and you want to throw this on with the set, then it is there for you because it is a two-piece set. One price, two-piece set. Lots of luxury. Oh, I love this. It feels good. It really does. My first impression, yes. Okay, so you do have these LULU tags everywhere. It says on this bottom one, it says try on first. This item cannot be returned if the tag is detached. LULU'S. So they do have the tag policy, just like probably everybody remove the tag and you own that item. So make sure you try it on first. Packaging. These little things are in there. So, first impressions. From the beginning of me going online to LULU'S.com to right now. A1, excellent. From the beginning to the end. Now, how they're going to fit, I need to try them on because as right now, I have not tried it on. So I do not know. But as far as the website, easy to navigate. As far as me making my payment, great. My payment, I did break it up into 4 payments. So they do have the Affirm payment process. You can schedule 4 payments for your total order. The arrival, excellent. I ordered it last week. It's already here this week. So that's perfect. No complaints. The material, excellent, excellent. Very good quality. As far as the price, let's get into the price. Do not have it listed in front of me. So I feel like LULU'S prices are comparable to Mango or ASOS or Eloquii. As far as the price point, that's where I would gauge it. Although on your first order, you do get 15% off. So make sure you sign up for that additional discount when placing your first order. And then I do know that other YouTubers who are sponsored by LULU'S will have a discount code for you to use if this is not your first time. So make sure you check out those discount codes. So let me try on the items. Comment below your favorite item from my first order from LULU'S. Let me know down below. I am on a journey to 1,000 subscribers. If you like LULU'S, give this video a thumbs up. If you like plus size try-on hauls, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Until the next time, stay classy, stay confident. My name is Carmen and I hope to see you, yes you, in my next video. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.